question 41, we have another data interpretation. We have to look at a graph, get some data from it, and then answer a question. So Paul constructed a bar graph showing the number of each of four types of vehicles sold by Sunshine Motors. So here's our four types of vehicles. This is the total number of vehicles sold in bar graph form. And our question that we're asked is approximately how many more sedans and minivans. So we got sedans and minivans were sold than SUVs and pickup trucks. So the word "and" in both of these scenarios means that we need to add sedans and minivans together, compare those to SUVs and pickup trucks, and we want to know how many more. So we're going to be subtracting those two totals. So let's get us a calculator here. Now we're going to have to make some estimations on our bar graphs, and we're going to look at our answer choices and see that our answer choices are in increments of 5, 25s, 50s, 75s, 100s. So everything's based on fives in this, so we could probably just half everything and see. So let's draw a line on our sedans between 250 and 300. We'll draw a line where the top of that is. So I'm going to write above here, we're going to say this is approximately 250 sedans. Minivans is directly on the line for 200, so we have 200 minivans. SUVs are directly on the line for 250 of those, right there. And pickup trucks are just, it's not quite at the line of 150, but remember, we're talking about approximately here, and we said everything ends in fives or zeros. So we'll just round this up. We'll just say 150, if I could get my mouse to work. All right, so 150. Let's get our calculator and see what some totals are. So the first thing let's do is move this right over here. Let's total up sedans and minivans. So we have 250, 250 plus 200. And you can do that in your head if you want to. So sedans and minivans together, make a note here, is going to be these two together, 450. And we'll get our calculator back up here. And we have 250 and 150. So 250 plus 150. So 400 for the pickup trucks. Come down here. We'll write these will be 400 on our pickup trucks. So we want to know how many more sedans and minivans together were sold than SUVs and pickup trucks together. So we would be subtracting 450 minus 400, so 50 would be our answer. Just the key thing here was that we were going to know how many more sedans and minivans, so we needed to add those two together and compare them to SUVs and pickup trucks. We need to add those two together. So that's what the "and" in both of those meant. And then we're approximately, so just approximate on your graph, look at your answer choices and see that everything's 25, 50, 75s, 100s. So we can probably round, we approximate, we can round our data to one of those.